all those who my inbox is filled with curses, insult, a lot of things. God of Adoration will destroy you. This one gave Meggy and if you teach them my inbox, and I to bottle like fire here, fire there. Now my inbox. John Omelaije Enugu, the reason why Ojepota na name on course, innocent course on all room. Meanwhile, the person as you know made the course. Kayawa Omelaije Enugu, si no fake ikobo. Now what is fake will fade. Now then she can and I'm asking if this person is truly fake, like he said, why is he or they afraid of course from this same fake arranged person? If he's fake, automatically the course will be fake. That is, if there is any course. I don't know where they are getting that from. You know? Because someone like me, there is how I reason, I think, I analyze my own things. I'm a critical thinker. I don't just come out and jump into whatever trend or issue or whatever. I sit down, I think. And why I do my thing, I consider what those people involved had said in the past or have done before. I will use all those things to generate my conclusion. So now, Elijah Enugu, you know the thing is that for all this rubbish to stop, we will start telling ourselves the truth. We will start telling everybody involved the bitter truth. Elijah Enugu came out few months ago and accused this same man, Evangelist Ebuka Obioma, that he's RNG, he's fake. After me like this, I mean, he told his congregation a lot of things a few months ago. A lot of people believed. A lot of people believed. In fact, that is where the main problem we are facing now started. Because he's someone that people listen to. You can't take that away from him. I mean, he has been there. Sometimes I wish he should know his level in all these things and know some certain things to say and, you know, what to react on. He came out to tell them that this guy is fake. What is fake with fake? I'm asking Kasi Asuiba. Hey, when you Range Rover, Yakwani Motanya, Chimika Pogoko, Yakwani Motanya. Cat, just kept me stranded in the middle of the road. And you drive like crap. But that is by the way. Elijah Enugu came out and told his congregation that this particular man, this guy, is fake. No, when they say about your choir, it's a lot of things. I don't want to go back into all those things. You know, for me, that's why I always tell those motherfuckers, Enugu bloggers, don't dare me. If you dare me, you guys are gonna lose. Because we have been in this game before some of you even bought a good phone. Anyway, most of you are not even using good phone to blog because I used to see your video. But that is by the way. But we have been here. You know, that is how we do all those things. You don't just come out to, you know, exchange whatever with someone like me. You should be respecting me in this game. He said that this particular guy is fake and arranged. You guys should reason with me. Let it not be as if I'm not crazy, you know, I'm not going crazy. I know what I'm saying. This guy is fake. Everything about him is fake. And now this guy went to somewhere and you guys did one or two things to him. What you guys did, Evangelist Ebuka Ministry at that crusade at Nnamdi Azikiwe, it was uncalled for. He was complaining bitterly and making his statement. You took it that you have already laid a curse, or he's laying a curse. He's putting a curse on this man and try it. But what I'm asking is, if this guy, Mokobi Oma Evangelist Ebukobi, is fake, you Range Rover, I will bite your ear. I will bite it. Oh, fuck. It's fake, like you said. Why are you scared of that course? According to you, he put on a governor. Because if it's really fake, like he told us, I mean, there's no need to be scared of whatever he said. Just like me, all those who my inbox is filled with curses, insults, a lot of things. God of Adoration will destroy you. This one gave me. If you teach them my inbox, and I to bottle like fire here, fire there. Now my inbox. But I'm not bothered about all those things. I just, low life. What do they know? Don't know nothing. Because if they know, they would know that I'm trying to stop all this rubbish going on and open most of them their mind, so they'll start reasoning like matured people. So someone like me, there is no way I will tell you that I'm bothered of all these curses, insults, and whatever on my inbox. Nah, because I know that they are fake. I mean, they are not my God. All those things are coming from frustrated human beings. If Evangelist Ebukobi is fake and RNG, like you told your congregation, why are you scared of the curse you guys said he put on the other man? Does it mean that okay, he's fake, but his curse is real? Does it mean that he's fake, but his curse is real? Obinigwe achibola halochi. Obinigwe achibola halochi.